Welcome to yet another session of Vedic Maths. Today, I'll be teaching you how to solve or how to write simply the tables ending in 9. So, the table of 19, 29, 39, 49 and so on. This is a very simple trick. The first step is you have to draw a magic box of 3 into 3. So, that's just a simple concept. So, this is a 3 into 3 box. If you can see this, this is a 3 into 3 box. I wrote the number is 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this flows in the chart like this. So this is a standard concept of the magic box of 3 into 3. Okay. Now I'll be doing the table of 19. So I wrote the table of 19. So what's my tens digits is 1. So what is the next number of it is? I write it first over here 1. Now what is the next digit is 2. I add in the number of 2's with the number I have written here. Okay. So simply 1 plus 2 is 3. So my next number is 3. Now 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 2 is 13. 13 plus 2 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. So this is 19 ones are, 19 twos are, 19 threes are, 19 fours are, 19 fives are, 19 sixes are, 19 sevens are, 19 eights are, and 19 nines are. Hopefully we all know the number of 10. 19 into 10 is nothing but 190. Okay. Let's solve the table of 29. I wrote the table 2. What is the next number of 2? Is it 29? So my 10th digit is 2. So I add the next number to it. 2 plus 3. So my adding digit is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 3 is 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. 17 plus 3 is 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. 23 plus 3 is 26. So this is the table of 29. Isn't it very simple? Try the table of 39 and 89. Try out and check if you get the answers. Thank you.